Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a shortcut to change your keyboard layout or language on your Windows 10 computer. This should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Start menu. And then you can either search for settings or select the gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. Should say settings. So go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select the devices tile. Select typing on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to go ahead and locate additional keyboard settings. So you might have to scroll down all the way to the bottom here and select advanced keyboard settings. Now on the screen, you want to locate the input language hotkeys. Go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says change key sequence. Now you should be able to adjust the input language by making your selection here, or you can also switch the keyboard layout. You have the other options over here that you could change it to. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. If you wanted to remove any languages or add a language, if we go back here to the other settings and we actually go back all the way to this main page here, and then we were to select the time and language tile, and then we select language. At this point, you'd be able to add a preferred language or another language in here, and then you'd be able to go select that language and then options. And then underneath keyboards, you click the little plus sign where it says add a keyboard. And then you just would add whatever keyboard you'd want that would respond to that language. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. So you would change the language pack of the keyboard. So like I said, pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.